this example, we are going to work with the sibling of the div element. We are going to work with the span element. Like we already discussed, the div element is a container which holds a logical grouping of HTML elements. The div element is not an inline element. It inserts a line break at the end and at the beginning. You can think of the div element as identical to the span element, with the crucial difference that the span element is an inline element. It does not insert a line break before or after. As a result, it's perfect for grouping inline elements logically. Use it when you do not want a line break. The elements will be in a logical grouping, but they will maintain whatever flow it is that the browser has naturally assigned to them. This is not a contrived use case at all. In fact, this is something that we would like to do surprisingly often. Let's take a simple example. Let's say we have the HTML representing an article. Now let's say we wanted to apply a specific style to just one sentence in the last paragraph of this article. The way in which we would do this is to create a logical grouping just around this bit of code. But that logical grouping cannot be a div, because if it were a div, this line would now all of a sudden appear on a line all by itself. A line break would be inserted, and that's not what we want when we are displaying an article. And this now is where the utility of the span element really comes through. We just take whatever bit of snippet of text it is that we are interested in, and we enclose this within a span element. And predictably, we give the span element a class attribute, a class name attribute, and we create a style around this class attribute. That's what you can see on screen now. We have a span element. We've given it the class name highlight. Next up, we go ahead and create a style which will apply to this particular class. It's called the highlight style rule. And we specify a specific color for the text in this class. And the browser knows what to do with this. When it displays this to screen, as you can see there, that little bit of text shows up in red. And most importantly, it does so without a line break. We have got the formatting that we wanted, and we have done so even without the insertion of a random line break. This is the full utility of the span element.